Hi, I'm Sumita. I'm working in Infosys as a senior risk manager. About this CIPR course, it was quite excellent in terms of like I'm just venturing into the cybersecurity area in the particular domain. So this is quite a new information or the new training, rather I would say. But in terms of the coverage and in terms of like the live examples, case studies which we have gone through, it actually helped me a lot to understand. And Amar, really thank to you with your simple way explanation and those checklist versions which we actually gone through, and the all those exercise which we have gone through. It was really helpful for me to understand things better. Thank you.